In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down. Now hit System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Then select Text Correction over here and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!